Hello guys and welcome back. Alright, in this video we are continuing with the professional trading drill series. Today we're diving into the loose drill. And yes, you heard that right. We're going to try to lose as many ticks as possible. Sounds dumb? Yeah, maybe. But you'll find out why we are doing this drill today. In the description you will find the link to a blog post that explains the benefit of this drill in more detail, so be sure to check it out. Okay, so trying to lose money on purpose sounds crazy, right? But this drill is actually used in proprietary trading firms, and I think it's really valuable. It will show you several things about your trading, right? You might be asking what's in it for you, right? What are the benefits? Okay, so first of all, I think the most important thing is think what would happen if you start doing this drill and you start to make money, right? That would tell you a lot about your trading. Apart from that, I think it shows you that some of your real life behaviors already cause losses. You're just not aware of them yet, right? So it will also reveal your risk management flaws, bad stop losses, oversized position, poor entries. They will all stand out when you're trying to fail on purpose. So it will also build your emotional resilience. Like losing doesn't hurt the same way when you do it consciously, right? It will strengthen your discipline. You're still following structure, even if the outcome is flipped. All right. You will also catch, I think, over trading tendencies. That urge to click just to click becomes painfully obvious. You will gain a deeper understanding of your strategy, the weak spots, where it falls apart. When I mentioned that what would happen if you start making money, right, doing this drill. It will certainly humble you. You'll lose the ego and focus on the process. And it will prepare you for real losses. When they happen live, you're no longer rattled. So, okay, how this drill will work? Of course, simulators only, right? No, this is not for live accounts. So, I will recommend using consistent position sizing. I will do this drill with one lot. I will not just be pressing buttons randomly. Meaning by that, I will, for example, if I see the market going up and I will want to join, I will sell, but I will need a reason to do that. So what's the main goal here is to lose ticks, but with structure, right? So okay, let's take some trades. Okay, the market, it's obvious, making new highs, so I will wait for kind of pullback, so if I can get a better price, and I will sell. I'm using a 10 tick stop, 10 tick target to start. Then we'll change that, experiment with some other stops and targets. But yeah, market's going new highs. A lot of buying pressure here. Nice spot to enter will be, I think it could be here. Okay. Okay, let's sell. Okay. Yeah, that was a bit rush. Okay, so I'm still long biased, so yeah, a lot of nice for here. Okay, want to see more buying pressure. Okay, let's Jesus, I wanted to sell. All right, I'm pretty sure they will test the highs again, so in this case I will wait for my target or stop to be hit. If I were trading live, I would move my stop to my entry to get a break even. Okay, that was a good one. Let's see. I'm still long biased. I will not enter short here. There's a lot of buying pressure. I will, yeah. Okay. There's another pop. Oh, God. Jeez, okay. I don't want to enter here because you know what happens, right? I will wait the market to come down maybe to this area here, 1175. Right now I'm thinking I'm losing opportunities. Yeah, my entry area would be here, 12 right now. All right. Now let's wait for a bit. Let's wait. See, I did not enter because they were going down. Okay. Right now, I want to see a pop to the upside to sell. All right, let's do that. I got a low volume node here. Maybe that protects me, but not sure. Yeah, no. All right, so see, trying to lose is not as easy as it sounds, right? Okay, I'm short bias right now. Yeah. Let's wait for a pullback so we can buy. I have to keep reminding myself to do the opposite. All right. Let's sell. Let's buy. Okay, it was not a good trade for me. All right. Let's sell. Oh, enter 2. Okay, no problem. If I were trading live, I'd just have moved my stop to my entry point, but I will know that will not do that in this case. We'll do another variation of this, changing our targets on stops. All right, I think it's not going anywhere, but let's wait. I would have exited this trade long time ago if I were trading live. All right, let's exit this trade and look for another opportunity. Let's do let's change the target and stops. For example, yeah, you can also try some ridiculous targets and stop. In this case is 15 and 2. Okay, it's going up. Let's sell. Yeah, okay, that was a good trade. It's going up. Let's also sell again. Yeah, another 2 ticks. It's going up. Let's sell. All right, another 2 ticks. This may look as free money, but with this kind of strategy, you will need at least 95% of positive trades, of course. If not, it will not add up. Right, let's do the opposite. Going down, let's buy. Yeah, in this case I have to take a stop. That is also ridiculous. I mean, I don't know any trader that can pull this off. Maybe I'm lucky, but I don't think so. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, this is just ridiculous. But I mean, it can tell you a lot of things about your trading. Let's try it. I have a 5. Yeah. No. Yeah, this one. Let's buy here. When I was rehearsing for this drill, I was making money with a 10 tick stop, 10 tick target, and when I changed it to 10 by 5, I started losing and losing and losing. Right, that also gives you information about if your strategy needs a wider stop and target. That's another benefit you can get from doing this drill. All right, guys, that was actually harder than I expected, right? So as I mentioned, this drill will help you to see your trading flaws, expose my tendency to maybe overtrade, or when I not seeing a clear direction, just not to trade, and also think more clearly under pressure. So now it's your turn. Go to try the loser drill in your sim. Follow your structure, try to lose and track what you learn. You can use Journalytics for that. And comment below. And all right. And see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel because we are doing a series about trading drills. So yeah, bye.